my solution is English YouTube channel with human voice. It's 100 days challenge. Ukrainian guy go to US market, get clients from them, and show the people experience how it was. Because most what we need, it's a trust from our target audience. Who is this guy? He lives in Kyiv, in other part of the world. I don't know him.
Why do you think that some American citizen would interested in your life in a Ukrainian third part of the world?
Because we do very good this things, and
what?
The idea was to make organic subscribers and to get warm clients.
So I don't see any problem to raise subscribers. Is your main goal?
Bad idea, good idea, you can try.
You can test that.